But what have you guys seen? I mean, how far evolved is the lift planning activity set and lift planning? Um, it sounds like the documentation's in place fairly well with the P30 document, but where are we at in the ball game? You know,
I think one of the issues we're all facing at the moment is with manual rigging, bull rigging. As Jim was saying, we're building faster, quicker, higher, heavier, and we particularly in our particular part of the construction industry are stuffing a lot of pipe into modules that are already complete, whereas in the past we might have put them in as we progressed the module. But in order to contract the schedule, we're getting the boxes finished before the pipe's ready, or sometimes before it's even been fully designed. So we're having to lift these weirdly shaped pieces of pipe with valves and things on strange centers of gravity, and we're faced on that side of it with an ever more complex handling operation, because you've got to feed it in from one side, you've got to manipulate it, you've got to move it, you've got to hand it off until you eventually get it where you're going to get it. And that requires quite a lot of skill. And it requires more skill than the average rigger that you're going to find straight out of the union hall has.